Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment specializes in comprehensive water heater diagnostics in Capitola, California. Our expert technicians utilize advanced tools and techniques to accurately identify issues affecting your water heater's performance. From detecting faulty thermostats and heating elements to uncovering sediment buildup, our diagnostics ensure precise and efficient solutions. We are committed to delivering prompt and reliable service to restore your hot water supply. Trust Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment for thorough and professional water heater diagnostics in Capitola, California. Contact us today to schedule your diagnostic appointment and experience our exceptional service. Contact us today at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a water heater diagnostics near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is water heater diagnostics and why is it important in Capitola, California? Water heater diagnostics involves assessing the condition and performance of your water heater to identify any issues. It's important to ensure efficient operation and prevent potential breakdowns in Capitola, California. How can I tell if my water heater needs diagnostics in Capitola, California? Signs include inconsistent water temperature, unusual noises, water discoloration, or higher energy bills. If you notice any of these, it's time for water heater diagnostics in Capitola, California. What is your water heater diagnostics service office for Capitola, California? Our local water heater diagnostics service office have served clients in the surrounding areas of Capitola, Los Angeles, Rubidoux, Grand Terrace, Pedley, Bloomington, Glen Avon, Colton, Mira Loma, Loma Linda, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, Redlands, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office located? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/capitola-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/